Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hair is dry and free of tangles, because moisture hides true length. Once done, attach the right taper guard sized between 1/8 and 1/2 to set your baseline. This controls the blend depth. Make a quick test pass behind the ear so you can see clipper behavior and hair response. This first actionable step establishes how aggressive the taper will be and prevents cutting too short. Make sure to check blade alignment and guard click for a secure fit. You now perform the core tapering. Move the clippers upward with short, controlled flicks from the nape toward midside to create a soft gradient. As you work, maintain the same wrist angle and pivot at the temple to follow head curvature, because consistent angle yields even blending. Once mid-length is established, use overlapping passes to erase visible lines and transition gradually. If you need more blend, swap to the next longer guard and repeat. This layered approach gives a seamless fade. You finish by outlining the hairline and cleaning sideburns with a trimmer, then comb through to inspect symmetry and balance. This final check ensures a professional result. Once satisfied, refine uneven patches using a longer guard like 1/2 or 1 to avoid overcutting. If you see harsh lines, soften them immediately with light tap and flick strokes while the clippers are moving upward. This troubleshooting tip prevents patchiness and keeps the taper natural looking without redoing large.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.